Hey crafters, I've found an amazing app for the crafting world, meet Tedooo, an app that brings a community of crafters together to be able to discuss, create ideas and sell with zero transaction fees. How good is that? It's super easy to sign up, just go to your app store and download Tedooo. Once it's downloaded, select your interests, join some groups created by like-minded crafters. You can even follow other shops. Set up your shop to make it easy for people to buy from you. You will need to fill in your details, first by selecting your profile type. There are heaps of options. Name your shop, choose a category, from fashions to pets. Add a shop description, put some keywords in and then select which countries you can ship your products to. Add your contact details and socials, select where you're located and begin your catalogue. After you've done this, you're free to browse the app. We have even started our own group called Never Enough Glitter, where we will post all of our current creations and hope that other glitter addicts will too. You'll find the link for Tedooo in my link tree for you guys to join too. Can't wait to see you there.